So for this sew alone, you're only going to need 3 pieces. So this is going to be the bias that you're going to need. This is going to be the peplum that you're going to need. It goes around the waist, guys. And then you do the measurements from the armhole to make your sleeves. So I'm going to show you guys all my pieces that I drafted from this, and I'm going to put it together. So this be my front and back piece. So this will be the bias on the fold. And then to get the triangle shape, I take it and I fold it like this, guys. So now I'm going to go over and show you this, okay? So if you guys can see, this is my bias and the shapes that I was showing you guys. So you take your newspaper, guys, and you put it just like this, and you fold it over, boom. You see that? That's that pattern. And then the back, guys, you put the same pattern on the fold. And if you can see, boom, that's that pattern. So this shirt has been trending over the internet, guys. So this is what I'm going to make. So the shirt is going to go like this. It's going to crisscross, going around like that. These are the 2 sleeves, guys. So when you when you make your sleeves, you just line up to the armhole like this. Line it up. Boom. There go your sleeves. So you cut out those 2 for your sleeves, guys. And these little bells is going to go on the end of the sleeves. So I cut 2 different shapes. So when it go on there, it's going to be in 2 different ways. The little bell hanging around, that's going to go on the sleeves, guys. These long pieces is going to be, I'm going to do my top a little different because I don't like the actual thing going down the middle. So I'm going to create ruffles going down the front of my shirt. I don't like the thing going around the neck, the bow tie. These are going to be the same. So the peplum, guys, if you can see, this is that peplum. And remember, guys, a peplum is nothing but a circle. Then you cut out the middle piece for your waist. So if you guys can see, that is the peplum. And that is going to be connected once I get it sewn to the shirt, guys. Boom. It's going to be sewn to this shirt like that. And like that, guys. That's going to be the bottom with the peplum cascading around the shirt. And the final piece will be, these is the ties, guys, that's going to tie around the shirt. So when the shirt can close and open. So that is going to be the project that we're going to work on today, guys. So this is going to be an awesome project that I'm working on, but just wanted to show you guys how I came up with them pieces. And now I'm about to thread my sewing machine and get everything up and running. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we're making. So guys, if you guys can see, it's already pinned. I'm going to sew down this side. I'm going to sew down this side. Going to sew the top. Okay. After that, I'm going to go ahead and attach the peplum, guys, to the top. And then pretty much do the sleeves. So, okay, guys, thank you guys so much. I'll come back and kind of have a lot of this stuff put together. All right, bye-bye. So if you guys can see, this is so far what I have. I'm actually pinning down the ruffles now. I done assembled the sleeves, the bias, and I'm just seeing how these ruffles look. I actually need to put the peplum on first before I attach this. I just thought about that. So if you guys can see on this side, sleeves will be going down. You guys see how I attach one sleeve. So far, this is what the top is looking like. But I actually got to take this off and do the peplum first and then put this on. So I'm doing a step backwards. Okay, guys, so what you guys see me doing now is I'm connecting the peplum to the bottom of the shirt. So in the sewing world, as we say, right sides together, because I need to do this before I complete the ruffles. So if you guys can see, I'm connecting the peplum to the end of the shirt. So I'm bringing this all the way around, guys. So I'm actually going to take this to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew it down, guys. And then I'll come back with the next step because I need to do this before I actually do the ruffles. So this needs to be done before because the ruffles is going to go on after this step. So I kind of put the ruffles on and I have to stop when I thought about it. So, excuse me. Let me go ahead and finish this. So I'm going to sew this down, guys. Then I'll come back with the next step. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so real easy, simple tag. I take each tassel screen that's going to wrap around. I put one on this side, one on this side, guys. Then I take a slit and put it through the shirt so that when I tie it, the shirt will be able to tie around. If you guys can see, with one on each side, you could tie the shirt around and be able to make your bow tie. However, so that, gotta close my ends off. Now, this so far what the shirt should be looking like. And now I gotta connect this other bell sleeve. So I'm gonna connect this sleeve, guys. And I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna try it on because I might not do the ruffles going around the top of the shirt, but I'll come back. Bye. Hi guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs, and guys, as you can see, this is the final result of that shirt that I was making, guys. So when I make my shirt or top, I always do something different. Theirs was actually, the model had a thing going around the neck. And it was sort of in a bow tie type effect. But I personally don't want something like that. I don't want it. So that's why I did mine with the ruffles on the side. I always try to do a little spin off and do it just a little bit different. I don't like nothing around my neck like this. So if you guys wind up doing this tap, just leave a little piece of fabric so you guys can add that little tie thing around the neck. And also, guys, do not do the ruffle effect. So this is what I wind up with, guys. This is what I wind up with. So I just wanted to share the final project with you guys. So if you guys decide to make this, you guys make this outfit, and it is a lovely top, a very, very lovely top. So I just wanted to show you guys the finishing results for the one that I created. And like I said, theirs was a little short sleeve, so I try to do a little bit different. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, God bless, guys. Bye-bye.